Hello, and today I'll be copying the current hard drive in here that's running Windows 7, which is 320 gigabits, or gigabytes, to a Seagate Barracuda 1 terabyte hard drive. First I'm going to wait for it to shut down. That screen's like a little faint. You see that? It's like a little faint on. Turn off. Oh good, it's doing that crackling noise. Alright, so let's go slide this off. So I'm going to take out both of the that hurt. Okay. Ow. I crushed my toe on accident. That's a problem, but we'll just ignore that. I know it hurts. Now I cannot find my screwdriver, so I'll be using a pair of scissors. Oh wait, actually I found it. So there's two hard drives in this PC. One of them is a 1 terabyte that has Windows 10, and the other one has Windows 7, which is the 320 gigabyte one. It's the 320 gigabyte one is a laptop drive, while the 1 terabyte one is a full drive, just like this one. But this one is weird. It's flatter. No, I do not have a CD drive for what I'll be using. So I'll be using an external DVD CD drive. Moment. I'm doing a terrible job at this. Why do they have to design these PCs like this? Dell has like one of the worst design choices in history. Alright, so I'm gonna plug this one. And this entire thing just come out, which I'll set aside. So now I'm gonna plug in the one we're gonna copy to. Which actually, before we do that, I should format this drive. Or maybe I'll see if there's an option to format in settings. Damn, that was loud. So maybe it's trying to go off of this one. Okay, there we go. Please ignore the flickering as it's on a CRT, so I'm on my monitor. Okay, there we go in Clonezilla now. Enter. I'm guessing it's doing it entirely from RAM. Or I guess it has loaded itself to RAM. That's what it's starting to look like. So I'm gonna move this, I'm gonna grab my Chromebook and I'm gonna stop the recording. Oh, it's counting down, it's about to blow up. Kaboom. Oh. Oh, it opened the tray for me. Now, I'm going to unplug the drive, the first drive with Windows 7. Turn the PC on. Boot. Excuse me. Okay, well, not a single thing is loaded. There's not any desktop icons. Never mind, they're all here. I'm just trying to correct yourself with the background. Give it a moment. Perfect. This is exactly what we want. Okay. So, now what are we going to do? I don't know. I'm going to shut down the PC. Oh, I accidentally kicked the camera. So, oh, this is hot. That is like hot. Just from being on. Alright, so I'm going to move it to the PC that is halfway empty. Oh, got a notification. Or accidentally sent something, I don't know. Alright, so I'll plug in. Actually, hold on. Ow. Plug in this one, right, and then somehow get it to slide in here. There, just. Alright, still connected. Alright. Move it to the front where the other screw is going to go. Like this. Oh shit. Alright, now let's put the cover back on. Alright, seems to be working fine. Well, all the desktop stuff is gone again. Now when I'm on the when I'm on the laptop hard drive, it's fine. Does Chrome still work? Because it did save the configuration of this monitor, which is 4x3 and not widescreen, which would be like 16:9 or something, I think. I don't know what aspect ratio widescreen is, but I do know that for square it's 4x3. And yeah, so it's saved. Alright, so thanks for watching. Yeah.